Hello everyone, this is our website COVID Coach. Now, as we all know that in this global pandemic situation, all the people are advised to stay at their homes to prevent the spread of coronavirus from one person to another, while all the doctors, nurses, healthcare workers are working. Since in this situation all the doctors and nurses are busy and there are less availability of beds in hospitals, if any person gets sick and he or she needs quick assistance, they themselves need to go to the hospital or call the doctor. Our project COVID Coach provides an online comprehensive solution for quick assistance. It provides easy navigation and statistics of all important amenities such as beds, ventilators, ICUs, oxygen cylinder. We ensure that all the people in the society have access to free or low cost medical optometry and care. The main objective of this website is to provide a reliable, latest, useful information with 24/7 assistance to pass round the clock emergency services and access to free or low cost facilities to book live appointments and provide a symptom tracker. Now, to get access to our website, we need to register first. After registering the website, you need to log in. Our dashboard consists of three sections: COVID tracker, emergency, and appointment. Now we'll head to COVID tracker. Now the COVID tracker, it tracks local and global active coronavirus cases along with recoveries and death rate, and the condition is depicted through the map with daily updates. The emergency section is always ready for these services. The department has state-of-art equipment and advanced patient monitoring systems to respond to any medical emergencies. Here you can fill your name and phone number and then submit. The appointment section consists of telehealth. To book the appointment, user needs to fill the detail according to their preferences, and the mail will be sent for the live session with the doctor. The specialists will listen to the needs and evaluate the condition from every angle to make the very best plan. We also have provided a symptom tracker. This bot can track the symptoms and connect the patients with the health specialist based on the primary evaluation. It will also help patients to book live appointments based on the doctor's availability. The hospitals interested to connect with the website need to register membership. After registering, the admin will verify the hospital details. After verification, hospital details will be added to the dashboard. This is a fully functional website with complete front end and back end. In the context of public healthcare, we activate online healthcare system. COVID Coach fosters telehealth, a 24/7 symptom tracker. We facilitate live appointment in no time and ensure that all the people in the society have access to free or low cost medical facilities. COVID Coach was possible with the help of our team members working towards a common goal and their integral contribution. Thank you.